And dear students, today we have a new trick for you in mathematics linear equation in two variables, how we calculate in 2 seconds. So that is a very interesting method. So you learn something and also apply in the paper. Look here, 4x plus 3y is equal to 7. 4x plus 3y is equal to 7. And 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. How we calculate the value of x and y just in 2 seconds. If you are finding the value of x, look here, we use this formula. First we multiply the coefficient of this one for the denominator of y, and both must be same. Look here, 4 multiplied by 4, 16, minus 3 multiplied by 3, 9, and both will be same. Now we are finding for the x value. So x value, if we are finding, first we multiply this value with this one. 4 multiplied by 7, we get here 28, and 3 multiplied by 10, we get here 30. So the result is equal to minus 2 divided by 7. Similarly, now look here, the another result we are finding for the y, and y if we are finding, so this result will be 40. 4 multiplied by 10, we get here 40, and 3 multiplied by 7, we get 21. So we will get here, we get 19 divided by 7. Now we want to verify our answer is correct or not. How we can verify this result? We substitute this result, and the first equation x value is minus 2 divided by 7 plus 3 divided by 19 divided by 7 is equal to, the result is question mark 7. That is, we want to verification just in 2 seconds. Look here, we get here minus 8 divided by 7 plus, if we multiply this one, 57 divided by 7, we will get here the answer is 7 or not. So if take the LCM 7, so we subtract this result. If we subtract this result, so 17 से हाँ अगर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर ले 8 तो क्या आता है, हमारे पास आता है 17 से 9 एंड यहाँ पर क्या आता है 4. तो देखिए हमारे पास 7 divided by 7 is equal to 7 is the correct answer. So our answer is just in 2 seconds we will solve. Otherwise we give the equation substitution method, we can also apply, but this is very lengthy process. Just in 2 seconds in the paper how we calculate this type of question. So I am doing another question that you can clarify from the methods. Another question of the linear equation in two variable, 5x minus 3y. 5x minus 3y is equal to 7, and 2x plus 8y is equal to 4. How we calculate the value of x and y just in 2 seconds? Look here, the same method we can apply. First we are finding denominator, 8 multiplied by 40, and this is negative minus, we are subtracting here, but there will change. So 2 multiplied by 3, we get here plus 6. 40 plus 6, both same. Now we change for the x value. If we are finding, we multiply this one 56, and this is also minus into minus plus 12. If we add this one, we get here 68 divided by 46. You cancel also this one. 32 divided by 23, we get the value of x. Similarly, if we are finding this result, we are multiply by 4, 5 multiply by 4, we get here 20, and 5 multiply by 4, we 20, and 2 multiply by 14. So we get here 6 divided by 46. So we will cancel this one, we will get here 23. So the answer is 3 divided by this one. This one is 4. Sorry, this one is 4. We cancel this one to each other, 34. So this is the answer. If you want to check the result, so the result will be same. Verification, if we are doing verification, for example, we put here in the second equation 2x plus 8y. So the result will be equal to 2x, we get here 34 divided by 23 plus 8 into, the result will be equal to 4. This is question mark, and 8 into 3, 23 is question mark for us 4. Now we add, multiply this one, we get 8, 6, 23 plus, students are confused in the percentage trick also. This is linear algebra and 2 variables. Any type of question you can learn, you can solve just in 2 seconds in the paper. So for example, you must be remember for the percentage. So most of the students are confused. Here you must be remember 100%, you know that 50% we can write, the formula is 1 by 2, and 25, and further we divide this percent, we will here 1 by 4, and further this one we divide by 2, so this will be equal to 1 by 8. So this is the percentage you must be remember. If any type of question is given 1, 20, 100 of 12.5% is what is the result? It is very simple. Look here. So 120, if you divide, you change this one 100. So you just directly put in half. We put here in the place is 1 by 8. So this is cancelled. We get here 15. 15 is the answer. Similarly, if question is changed for you 12% of 64, what is the answer? So look here. We use the same formula 12.5. is percent, we can percent is multiply by 64. In the place of, we get put the result is 1 by 8, and by 8 into 64 we get cancelled to each other, we get the result is 8. That is the process for the percentage. You directly apply. You must be remember these 3 points. Keep in mind any type of, if you are divide 12 by 5, you change by 100. So this is very lengthy methods. So you just replace in this one tracking method. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching. If you are taking benefits from this video, you must be share. Thanks again for watching.